when you see this dial in perspective to something that you already know the size of, then you know why I used the word huge yesterday when I was talking about it. Yeah, it's going to be 64 inches in diameter. And I'm beginning to wonder, can I roll it up the stairs? Is there going to be enough clearance? Here's a view you don't get to see too often. Anyway, it's the stairs going up to the upstairs. And I know a person has a tendency to think, well, it's only 64 inches in diameter, and if I was a 6 foot tall person, that's 72 inches, and there's room for me. But I don't go up at an angle like this, from here to here. And it looks like it's going to be pretty close. I haven't measured it yet. This is the first time. I do know sometimes getting sheets of plywood down here seems to me I have to put them at an angle, and that's only 48 inches. So let's go at perpendicular to the stair here. Okay, that's only about 5 feet. So it's 4 inches too big. That means that the dial is going to have to be made in 2 pieces. That's too bad. Either that or make it a little smaller. Here's something I haven't used for a while. When I was redesigning my workshop a few years ago, I realized I was going to be making a whole lot of noise down here, and the noise would be going up the stairs and bothering the wife. So I made this door. The idea is it just helps block the sound. Maybe you could even hear a little bit of a difference the way my voice sounded when I started talking. Now it's more echoey down here. Keeps the sound in. Anyway, I haven't used it for 3 years. It was about 3 years ago that my wife went into the care home. Yeah. Where did those years go? Where'd they go? Anyway, guess I'll get back upstairs and redesign my dial ring. Take it down from 64 to about 58, just to play it safe. I think that still should be okay. And, it's going to set me back another couple hours, but hey, it's fun. So, okay, everything now is drawn to scale to 58 inches. And if you remember from before when it was 64 inches, well, the movement is noticeably larger against the dial ring. Anyway, that's the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be smaller. The ring, that is. Anyway, that grid that you see made up of 1-inch squares is just to help me after I print everything up. I'm printing it out just on ordinary paper, 8.5 by 11. Well, naturally my template has to be way bigger than that, so I got to join everything up accurately. And those little fine lines, they just help me to do that. Now, if I'm to make 6 of those, I can join them together and have a complete circle. At least that's the plan. I don't know yet if I'm going to use like biscuits to join the joints or just sort of splices on the back. No idea. All I know is I have to make 6 of those. Out of wood, of course. Now for tomorrow, I'm going to be doing something completely different. It's something I've also been thinking about for a long time. But it's just going to be 1 episode. Shouldn't take very long. So, the day after tomorrow, we'll have episode 67 of The Big Clock Project. Thanks for watching.